Okay, this is big breaking news coming in. I was just speaking to our correspondents, but we've just heard the Supreme Court has granted bail, interim bail, to the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. We've just received this big breaking news. There has been a lot of arguments around this, with the Enforcement Directorate putting up a very strong objection to the Supreme Court offering that interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal. He has been in ED custody for quite some time now, but now this is a big news and a big relief, in fact, coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. He will not be allowed to discharge his duties as the Chief Minister. That was one of the conditions that was put forth by the Supreme Court, but we are just waiting for more details. He's been granted interim bail till the 1st of June. I'm also just getting this information coming in that he has now gotten interim bail till the 1st of June. So huge relief there. As I've been saying this, a big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party. Interim bail has been granted to the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He will not be allowed to discharge his duties as the Chief Minister. This bail, in fact, has been given by the Supreme Court for him to campaign for his party and for the other party candidates as well. But a huge relief there for the Aam Aadmi Party. Now they are going to use this. They were going to say that they stand vindicated. A massive relief coming in there for the Aam Aadmi Party and for the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has been granted bail till the 1st of June. And as we've been telling you, that all this while the Enforcement Directorate had even filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court, raising very strong objections, appealing to the Supreme Court not to grant him interim bail, saying that if this is done, it would set a very wrong precedent. They even said that never in the history of elections has any politician be granted interim bail for campaigning. Ananya joins us now. Arunima is with us. All right, I'm getting a lot of information right now. Arunima, a huge relief and a big news coming in from the Supreme Court with Arvind Kejriwal being granted interim bail to the 1st of June. What else are you hearing from the court?
See, one thing that you have to underline is that Arvind Kejriwal is being granted bail not just till polling happens in Delhi, which is on the 25th, but also beyond that. So what the Supreme Court is conceding is that the Aam Aadmi Party is a national party, and as its convener, Arvind Kejriwal might have to campaign in the last 3 phases, and therefore he is being given that opportunity. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, representing Arvind Kejriwal, tried to argue that 4th of June is when the results are coming, so allow him to be on bail till then. But what Justice Sanjeev Khanna said is that campaigning ends 48 hours before that, and we are explicitly granting him bail so that he can go out and campaign. What is also being argued here, ASG Raju is saying that you must underline that Arvind Kejriwal will not say anything about this case, to which Justice Khanna says, like in Sanjay Singh's matter, you are entitled to counter him with equally strong statements. 21 days here or there should not make a difference. He must not speak about the case and must surrender, is what Tushar Mehta says. And on 2nd, he will surrender, is the order coming in from Justice Khanna. All of this is being spoken about, as we are saying. Ananya is reporting it from inside court. And now that order, he's confirming now that bail has been granted till June 1st. On 2nd of June, Arvind Kejriwal will have to surrender. In the interim, he cannot discharge any duty as a Chief Minister. He cannot speak about this case. So during the course of the campaigning that happens, one will have to wait and see how the messaging by the Aam Aadmi Party is altered.
Yes.
Because their entire election campaign so far was on Arvind Kejriwal, his photo behind bars. Now that the court has granted him interim bail and put a bar on him from speaking on this particular case, how does that alter AAP's campaign is something that we have to wait and watch. But for now, AAP Karyakartas will be in a celebratory mode.
Absolutely.
Arvind Kejriwal is coming out of the jail for now, till June 1st.
Oh, absolutely. The Chief Minister, who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the money laundering case, finally being granted interim bail. Big news coming in there from the Supreme Court, which had been mulling for quite some time, despite very serious objections being raised by the Enforcement Directorate, who went ahead and filed an affidavit raising strong opposition to the Supreme Court granting bail. But the Supreme Court now granting interim bail to the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal up till the 1st of June.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.